Right guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Darren Evans and this is Martin from Turner Automotive. The reason why we're up here today is because Martin's recently invested in a new two-wheel drive on road braked one.
Yeah.
What was the reason behind that?
Just basically so people know what they're getting. Development work, so we can really give people an idea of what they're paying for. A lot of people getting dodgy remaps out there at the minute. And paying for something that you can't see, so the dyno will give you
a relative gain.
Yeah.
So I always say that the best way to tune a vehicle is on the road, and I still stand by that. But in terms of seeing a before and after figure, I can totally agree with you. So that brings us on to the reason why we're here, really. We had a two-wheel drive dyno, as many of you may know, but we retired it from service quite quickly, just purely because we wanted independent information, and that's the reason why Martin and I got talking a while ago about doing something in terms of this two-wheel drive dyno that he decided to invest in. It's not a new thing for you, that really, tuning or dyno, really, is it? Because you've already got tractor dyno.
Yeah, we've done a lot of development work on tractors, so developing performance packages for tractors. So we just wanted to kind of have a feel for the car and van world.
You've already been writing files for vehicles rather anything other than agricultural anyway, haven't you?
Yeah.
Over the last 10 years.
10 years, yeah.
So, you know, it's not like it's something new.
No.
This isn't going to detract from us doing any Revo software or any Collins software. We just want to have somewhere where we can take vehicles and we can get an independent figure, because it's always better to have something that's done by someone else you've got no interest really in tuning a Ford necessarily.
No.
Specifically, have you?
No, not at all. And this is the thing with the tuning world. There are a lot of people out there that have got agendas, so you've got to be careful whose independent dyno you use, for argument's sake, haven't you?
Yeah.
So,
which is why we've used the likes of other hub dynos that we've used before, to mention it, no names other than Pip really, and another couple of locations that we've used. But we're so close to each other in terms of location, it's dead easy for us. We're within sort of 8 or so miles, so we can get here really quickly and get some work done with you. So there's some exciting times ahead. I think we'll learn from each other, in fairness.
It's definitely
good to have a relationship with someone like
you're always learning in the tuning world.
Exactly.
Every day's a school day.
Exactly. Nobody is ever the master. So the long and short bit is at the moment that you received the dyno just after Christmas. We've been in touch all the way through. Both, I think, excited as each other, in fairness.
No, you were more excited than me.
Diesel.
Definitely.
You haven't seen him on the channel before, but I can tell when he's telling Porky Pies.
No.
But we're just, or you're just on with doing some ramps for it now.
Yeah.
Some extended ramps with some checker plate on.
Nothing fancy.
But
people will see the cutaways. Nothing fancy, just to get us up and running.
It's not finished yet, is it?
No.
So
no, that's true.
Get that done. Get them painted. I think you plan on painting them blues to match this. The one thing I forgot to mention is that if you know anything about dynos, you'll know that it's not necessarily the chassis that's the important bit about a dyno. It's the software that's behind it.
Yeah.
This is a Sports Devices chassis that they've just developed in conjunction with some other people at Martin and I know, and it's running the Sports Devices. Is it the 6 controller?
SP5.
SP5, sorry.
Yeah.
My mistake. They're not that far ahead yet, are they?
No. Well, they are. They do an SP6.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, but we've got the peasant edition.
Still a good
very good software.
So it's a relatively new bit of software in terms of Sports Devices software, but Sports Devices, for those of you who don't know, have been around for a long time, and a lot of other dyno owners who've got different chassis, not just Sports Devices, because they've started doing, that's new. A lot of people change from the original software and controller that they used on their bed, which is the device that actually...
Well, it's a bit of a sticky subject, shall we say, in the dyno world, because you've got to watch what you say, or there may be legal repercussions, shall we say. But there are certain...
a lot of people have chosen for their own reasons to change from control software. I don't think there's anything wrong with me saying that.
No, not at all. No.
They've decided for their own reasons to change from one brand or one whole package together and add on the sports devices controller and software as a secondary, as an after, an after solution. So they've got their own reasons for that, and they've been very successful with doing that. There's very many tuners that many of you who are watching this channel right now will know have commented publicly that they were going to change over to that software. So ultimately this is an all-round package for us, and it's a good thing because we're going to be able to bring vehicles here and data log, so it will give us the ability to not only log on the road, but we'll be able to log on the rollers. Ultimately that means a bit more safety for us, because some of the replication work that we need to do to find faults is at higher RPM and higher speeds. So
especially around here, you haven't really got that kind of...
No, exactly. So it's going to give us an opportunity to do that. It'll give us independent figures for some of our tunes, for some of our Revo, some of our Collins software, and some of the other software that we run. Obviously we're APR dealers as well as OEM Plus by Racing Line. So it can only be a good thing. We're excited. I'm excited to see this thing up and running. Can't wait. It'll be running by 2024.
Yeah, definitely. Same time as the Mark 1 Golf's finished. If you've got any people still watching the channel in 2050,
it'll be ready.
It'll be if you just sign back into YouTube then. Come back, we'll be ready then.
But if you haven't already, guys, talking about the YouTube channel, if you haven't already, then please subscribe. Consider hitting that bell icon to stay notified of new content. You'll see Martin on the channel going forwards, I'm sure, at some point. And give the video a like, comment down below. We'll leave some links in the description if you've got any agricultural equipment or heavy plant or anything like that needs tuning. Martin's your man. Turner Agricultural Tuning?
No, Turner Tuning.
Turner Tuning.
You'll find us on Facebook,
So you can find them on Facebook. Look them up. You can get some great, for those of you that don't know, if you're watching this and you've got a tractor, then you can actually tune a tractor and you can get significant power increases from it. And this is the guy with the PTO dyno, so he can prove that as well to you. But thanks guys, thanks for watching again. Hopefully enjoy this content and hopefully enjoy this dyno really, really soon. Thanks, Martin.
Yeah, thanks very much. Thank you.